Howdy folks, there's a lot of stuff in from Vevor right now to review, so I'm going to start with the first thing is Vevor is like a big store online that carries a lot of different product. I've mentioned that many times. It's like a catalog of things, and there's a lot of different products here, and some of the products will really surprise you. And today I was going to tackle, I think we're going to try to tackle at least 2 of these products that are here right now. So trying to expand on the whole Vevor line was like, you know, we need to sort of explore a little bit, just show some of the different products that they have and review them. Like, and this one here's a really good review. It's a solar control package from Vevor, and it's even got like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or whatever on it to work with your cell phone, so you can check your solar and charging and see what you're doing. We've got solar panels up, and we've got this thing in place and wired in so we can have a look at it. But we got to go to the barn. It's a little cool out this morning, but we'll go to the barn and we'll take a look at this package. And it's, you know, up to 40 amp. It's a 12 and or 24 volt system, and it's from our friends at Vevor. Let's go have a look at it. Yeah, we're out here in the cold old barn today. It's a little on the cold side. I think it's in the 40s or something right now. But this is the package here, and I just wanted you to see the actual physical size of this thing. Here's the cheap old solar charger I used to have. This thing's only good for 390 watts, so we've exceeded that easily with what I've got up on the roof. This one can handle up to about 1100 watts. This is the 40 amp. There is also a 50 amp one that will handle, I think it's 1350 or close to 1400 watts in power. So it's really, again, this is sort of a, you know, anywhere from around 1,000 watt system for solar. You could have a couple of hundred watts and, you know, want to charge a battery and all that. And of course, there's your battery wiring. Here's your 2 solar lines coming in from the package up here. And this is, you know, also giving you these little green lights, which will indicate what's happening. We're getting a flash red here off the solar right now, but that's a pulse coming in, so that's no big deal. Green because my battery is full right now. It's fully charged up. And then also we have a green light on this end. Now I also have interfaces underneath here, which I'll have to show you that inside on the paperwork or something, because there's charts, there's all kinds of information, but this is an NPPT type controller, and they say really in the industry that that's the one you really want to own, but it's at a great price. So, you know, here's something where Vevor offers a solar package, you know, controllers, and they have quite a few things in solar, but it's just something out of the round because, you know, I know normally we do tools, but they also have other things. I guess that's my point today. Phew, okay, we're back from that cold old barn. But first thing I want to tell you, let you know, is I'm going to provide a link in the description below where it'll be from the US market, so it'll be faster delivery and probably, hopefully, a better price than what I'm about to show you. Now let's take a quick look at the picture here. This is just some of the features, of course, but look at the easy wiring situation there with just the 2 wires coming in from the solar, 2 wires going out to the battery. You know, it's really not that complicated, and at the same time, it can be as sophisticated as you want or unsophisticated. The features with Bluetooth really make this thing an interesting controller package. And this is the 40 amp, yeah, about 1,000 watts. I guess the next thing I'm going to point out too is the operating temperatures on this particular module, because this is a hotter, you know, this can handle more heat than I've seen others, and it's also, it seems to be able to deal with colder temperatures than I normally see. 'Cause that's minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty darn cold. Between the heat and the cold, we should never see that where I'm at in Texas. Well, there's the specifications on the machine for the size of it, but also there's all the specifications as far as like the features go and things. And like I said, this is the 40 amp. This is not the big 50, but it's kind of like the middle of the road one on this particular model. So also this page here, this sort of shows you some of the other features like the, you know, the protection, the overload and everything. Also lightning protection, very big thing, and reverse PV. You know, panel voltage could be wrong. You know, I sure hope not, but anything can happen. Now there's another shot here of it. Again, the Bluetooth application is really cool. A lot of people love to be able to use their cell phone and monitor a charging or solar system like that. And of course that has a built-in feature for it, which looks really cool. Next good feature I guess we needed to mention too is that it will work with all your different batteries. Basically, you know, flood-filled gel battery, lithium battery, AGM from the car, you know. You can put it, I really should try my AGM on there, but I don't think we will today. No, it's too cold. But it will work with all your different types of batteries for your storage system. So it's good to know. Comes with a really good manual to explain, you know, everything about mounting it to how to use it to wiring it up, and also those 3 little lights on there, which basically that's really all you need. But with the phone, of course, you can get a lot more information off the machine. But the first array, which has that little red blinking light, that's also an indicator of current charging mode from the controller from the solar panels coming down. The second one indicates the current state of the battery, which in our case was green. What I had on there for a battery was an old 12-volt tool battery, an old lithium tool battery, but I stuck it on there just to see if it would work, and it actually charged it up and showed green and didn't overheat the battery, which I thought in itself was like, that's pretty good right there, because that's not an application I would have normally thought of. And the last one, which is kind of confusing, but it comes on green when it has figured out what kind of battery it's dealing with, whether it be lithium, AGM, or, you know, flooded gel, etc. So it's, like I said, it's just a nice package at a great price, and it's from our friends at Vevor, who also do, you know, tough tools for half the price. They have a lot of other solar packages on there too, so I'll provide you, like I say, a link. But I'll also invite you to, you know, if you're thinking about solar or you're looking for a specific application for solar, you might want to look at Vevor and just check them for, you know, features and price and see what they have, because they have quite a bit of stuff in there. I was really surprised when I found out. And now for the party. I'm going to show you something else from Vevor that is, again, it's just it's like a tool. It's like just something you would not expect from this company, because they just have a lot of variety of various things. This would be great for like a party, yeah, for a really, or a Christmas display. There's just a lot of things you could do with this. I'm gonna pull that out here in a minute. Yeah, this is this is the other product I wanted to talk to you about today. This is a laser light show flashing light. It has LED lighting for, you know, circling around and putting light all over the place. Yeah, so for a party, it would be great, you know, or a strip club. Vevor sells this at a great price, and it has really cool features, because not only does it do all that, but it also has the remote. So you can control the lighting, or you can just put a big snowflake up, you know, a laser that goes across the house at night for like Christmas decorations or any kind of party thing. This is really, really cool. Comes with a really nice mounting bracket, some instructions, and it does the flashy lighty thing over here like lightning, like really strong strobing and lighting for, again, dancing, you know, whether it be pole dancing or just, you know, normal dancing. But right over here, there it is, yes. And it also has the rolling lamp here system, and it fires, and it can fire laser patterns and stuff. So I think what we'll do, I was going to power it off my little Vevor. Yeah, got a little, you know, storage thing right here. That this is only 300 watt, but that's enough to run this guy. And in fact, it'll run this for, I guess, a few hours. You know, I'll probably get 3 or 4 hours of entertainment out of it. Right out of this little Vevor right here. In fact, I will give you a link provided in the description below where you can find this at. This is sometimes on sale at Vevor. If you don't have a portable power station like that, and you're thinking about spending very little and trying to get something decent, this is not half bad at all. Now, what I'm going to do is plug this into this, and I think so. I'll close the door inside my garage or something, and we'll fire it on the garage door, you know, and that way you can sort of see the different patterns of what this is going to do. I don't want to fire the lasers and everything into the camera. Some people are very sensitive about flashing lights and that sort of thing, so I'm giving you a warning that that's the sort of thing that will happen. But I'm going to do it on the door, so it won't be as intense as if it was directed at the camera. And we'll do it either, yeah, do it either in the garage or on the barn door or something like that. But we got to be in the, it should be best, you know, at night or in the dark for, you know, the party mode or whatever. But again, this is my point, is that Vevor sells, you know, things like this where it's like commercial type business, where you might want to set this up in your cafe or restaurant area where you create a certain ambience or something in the evening for a little bit of party mood or whatever, this is the sort of thing that will do the job, you know. In fact, it's not, the wattage on this is not very high. I'm just looking back here to see, but it also has a remote control and it can be operated through sound, so it can work with you know, instruments or music playing, that kind of thing. And so it has a lot of potential different applications that are really interesting. This is just absolutely a party light. That's just, I love it. I thought it was really cool when I saw it. But when Vevor said, "You want us to send that over?" I said, yeah, sure, send that over. This ought to be good. So we'll shut all lighting off. Oh, there's sun coming in here, but we'll shut all light off, and I'll just hit the garage door with the patterns, and that way you can get an idea. Now this thing will blast patterns. I've already tested it at night, and it will knock the patterns way out there in the, you know, into the ballpark kind of thing. So you're talking 30, 50 foot, you'll have nice patterns and lasers and stuff going off. So it's, like I said, it's sort of a commercial, you know, dance lighting machine or something, but it's cool. It is very cool. So let's set this up and see what we can do. There we go. We're set on the garage wall here. I just wanted you to see some of the different patterns and things, and it's programmable, so you can select what you want. You can have just the white snowflake thing flying around, or little sun patterns, all different light patterns and shows. And there's also lasers. As you can see, the lasers are firing off right there too, plus the little soft white or soft color lights that are bouncing around. Those are LED, plus of course the flash. This is a demonstration mode right now that we're in, so it's just showing all the different patterns of what the machine is capable of, and it's being powered by that little Vevor pack. So basically we could take this outside at night or anywhere and just fire this thing off and have it run. It's taking only very minimal power right now. I'm just looking. Right now the Vevor power station shows that it could do this for like 10 hours. So that in itself is pretty awesome. And look at all these crazy, you know, laser patterns and stuff that it shows up with. That is just, you know, I just thought it was an amazing machine. It'd be great for, like, you know, ambience for a big party or something. You could set this thing up. And or if you had a strip club, yeah. But the laser patterns are all different too, and there is I'm looking to see this. There was a specific one I really liked, and I'm not even, there it is. Yeah, that green with the flashing star with the lasers, that is so cool looking. But that is just what a cool thing. But it's from Vevor, the tool people. You know, these are some of the different products that they offer on their online with their things, and I will have a description and a link below where you can go find this guy, you know, and take a look at it. And price wise, I think it'll blow you away. It's not expensive, but it could do some amazing things with color and lasers. Yeah, that flash and light and wild pattern stuff is very cool, especially outside at night up against the side of a building or garage or whatever. I was gonna try to get some dancing girls in, but that didn't work out. They wanted too much money. Yeah. Anyways, the amazing different things that you can find at Vevor. That's why I invite you to, you know, go take a look and check it out. There's all kinds of crazy things in there. We were giving away a depth tech, and we need to draw for that. Now, I've got almost no tickets because almost nobody put their name in, so you've got about a 1 in whatever chance of winning, 20 names, and that's all there was. So we're gonna draw for this, and then we're gonna put something else up for the draw for, like, well, it'll be what, next year now, because it's the end of the year, you know. But we'll just throw this in with the rest of it. So I'm just gonna pull out a quick name here, and I think this guy's gotten something from us before. Clifford, you're over in Bakersfield, California. Clifford, I'm gonna mail this to you, man. You can have it priority posted over to you. You should see it probably next week. Thank you, Clifford, for entering. And thanks everyone else for entering too, because, you know, it does mean something to me. And it has been kind of rough to see how things have been going. Christmas is always kind of busy, and there's always a lot of crazy stuff going on like this. So let's get the next thing up for draw, and that way we get that finished, and then we're gonna get out of here. Yes. Okay, so this next item from the show I'm giving away it's a wood burning kit, but it's kind of like a really advanced model, and it's from our friends at Vevor, and it is a really cool kit. Comes with a couple of different types of probes, about 26 different styles of wire, and you can burn and engrave just like a laser, but without the dangers and the problems of a laser. Wood burning goes way back, and it's still, I think, a really cool thing. And it also even comes with some different paddles of wood and a brush and stuff, so you'll have some X-Acto tools and whatever for it, so you'll have a great time. I will have to bubble pack this thing, and we'll get it in a priority box or something to you. So now, how do we get in on the draw for this tool? Wow, there is a jet flying over loud. Wow. Anyway, this will be another entry where you just email us at ctrewards@gmx.com. One entry per household, of course. In the subject line, just write wood, W-O-O-D, you know, easy enough. And then on the main body of the email, just your name and your address, that's it. And we'll make little tickets, and we'll draw from the coffee can. And I will send this to somebody from the show. You will receive this wood burning kit that's right here in my hands. Yes, you'll receive it. In the meantime, thank you everyone for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell, and keep up the faith. I'm out of here. Over and out.